In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to poll during a Microsoft Teams meeting. Polling is a fantastic way to gather instant feedback, make meetings engaging, and ensure everyone's voice is heard, even in a digital setting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently create, deploy, and evaluate polls within a Teams meeting, enhancing your virtual meeting's productivity and interactivity. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you open the app, you'll land on the Teams page. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Calendar tab. This is where you schedule your meetings, and it's the perfect place to start setting up your polls. Find and select the meeting where you want to create a poll. If you haven't scheduled the meeting yet, you can easily do so here by selecting a date and time, inviting participants, and hitting the Schedule button. Once your meeting is scheduled, click on it to view the details. In the Meeting Details window, you'll notice several tabs across the top. Click on the Chat tab. Here you'll find the meeting chat area, where you can share messages, links, and files before, during, and after the meeting. Now, look at the ribbon of icons below the chat text box. You'll see an icon that resembles 3 horizontal dots. This is the More Actions menu. Click on it to open a submenu where you'll find a variety of tools and apps that integrate with Teams. From the options provided, scroll down and select the Forms app. This is your one-stop solution for creating polls during your meeting. Once selected, a new window will open, prompting you to enter your poll question and the corresponding answer options. Be clear and concise with your question to avoid confusion among your participants. Likewise, ensure your answers cover all potential responses to give everyone a chance to provide their input. After entering the pertinent information for your poll, review it for accuracy and completeness. Once you are satisfied, you're ready to share your poll during your meeting. Clicking the Save button won't automatically send it out, so don't worry about prematurely deploying it. Instead, this action will confirm your poll is ready to go when the time is right during your meeting. As you enter your scheduled meeting, start the video call as you normally would. At any appropriate point during your meeting, navigate back to the chat section. Here, you'll find your drafted poll under the Forms section. Click on it to ensure you're ready to launch it to your attendees. Then, send it into the meeting chat for all the participants to see. They'll be able to vote in real time, and you'll witness the responses coming in instantaneously. This live interaction is a great opportunity to discuss the results and gather insights that can benefit your team, project, or whatever agenda has brought you together in the virtual space. Additionally, you'll find that the responses stay in the chat, so you can refer back to them anytime during or after the meeting. In conclusion, polling within Microsoft Teams is seamless, keeping your meetings dynamic and engaged. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial and have a fantastic time integrating polls into your next meeting.